Hello there, traders. For today's session, I decided to cover euro versus US dollar, and I'll also speak about the gold market today. And I think we got a big movements, basically big climatic action that happened during the Friday's news, and that was basically a non-farm employment change that happened basically last Friday. It came like 235k versus 720k, so it was a kind of big deviation from actual versus forecasted. But as we know, the climatic affection, like the climaxes overall, the big wide range candles with the ultra high volume, they basically produce more weakness into this, especially in the close in the middle on this 30-minute candle with a no follow through or very little follow through. That's a basically big weakness for itself, and it's quite a big sign of the weakness, which got a confirmation later. And basically we're right now, we got a bank holidays today. I must say we do have a Labor Day in the US and in Canada, but so we expect a lower liquidity and lower volume today, as you can also see from my relative volume from this indicator that we're trading below the relative volume average. And so but still, price managed and euro managed actually to take the low of that climax low, and it's actually trading below. Actually, it's just confirming that there is no one to react here, and price just keep going down slowly and steady, right? So this price action for itself, it was pretty bearish, like climaxes with no follow through. I always say it's pretty bearish. And now we got even more confirmation, although on a lighter volume, but still technically the price action is breaking lower and respecting this zone like small resistance. So you really do expect reversion to the mean overall relative. This is the euro versus US dollar in the market profile. I do expect the price to do the reversion to the mean towards the previous week point of control at 1.1800. There's also some pivot area around 1.835 and then 1.1800. So definitely watch for selling opportunities overall. Even it's a light volume day, just Europe session active, we can maybe see some kind of the more downside movement in the next period, today and tomorrow. So I think this is a major climax that we absorbed today. So watch for selling opportunities there. The gold basically is pretty similar. Gold got a massive climax after non-farm employment change, and as we know, bar closed in the middle of the next bar, no follow through. There was some aggression after here, extra push higher, but there is no follow through after that. So we're back into the climax range, and we're trading lower, mailing the lower lows and lower highs. So we're technically building some kind of shifting some downside trend on the 30-minute time frame. I think overall this is I think I give chance this will be probably a fake breakout of the consolidation in the background, but we need still some more price action. This is already a big sign of the weakness there in the background. So I guess if the price will at least retest 1820, 1819, and then eventually if we can take the low of that climax, and so we can even expect the price to retest the bracket low at 1804, 1805, 1802. So I guess climatic actions all around on different markets, and there is we got a no follow through. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep going and keep absorbing this and just keep going down on the euro, pound, gold, and so. Dollar index on the other side, just to mention that prior to this news, it was a news factor that basically got a breakdown here, but overall the daily trend since the beginning of the June is pretty much positive. So we got to probably this can just be a correction, and I guess it's still making the higher highs and higher lows relative to the lows here. We still have a higher low. So overall, I can see the dollar strength and some climatic actions, absorptions already happening, and probably back to the trading range in the gold. That'll be all for today. See you all tomorrow morning.